From installation to invoice, ExecuLink's fiber internet process keeps you, your family, and your community in mind. Before we begin digging in your neighborhood, we aim to provide plenty of notice so there's no confusion as to why we're there. Once we start digging, we use a minimally invasive method to bury the fiber lines. Our goal is to be as quick and careful as possible. To connect the fiber line to your home, we work with you at your free site survey to understand the best possible location for our hardware. We'll identify any underground utilities or sprinkler systems on your property so you can rest assured that they won't get damaged during construction. Once our fiber network is active, we'll come back to install your service. We'll install all the necessary hardware to make sure you have the best experience possible. When we leave the community, we won't leave a mess behind. This means refilling any holes and repairing all areas of your lawn. We care about your community because we're a part of it. We live and work in the communities we serve and are proud to be your local telecom provider. When all is said and done, you'll be left with lightning-fast internet that is affordable, reliable, and backed by our renowned 24/7 support. We want you to love your fiber internet, from the moment we start digging to the moment we leave. Why? Because you deserve it.